Hey guys, Porcha here, and today I want to discuss with you guys the brand new Cricut AutoPress. Now, this is a hot topic. I'm looking at different Facebook groups and on Instagram, on Twitter, all this other stuff. People are really talking about this particular press. And what has a lot of people curious is honestly the price. Now, I will tell you this. I am a big fan of Cricut, and I do my research, and this is a product I probably will end up purchasing. Number one, out of curiosity, and number two, I would like to share an honest review with you all. So let me tell you a little bit about this Cricut AutoPress, and I have my notes to help me here. Now, the press is 12 by 15. It will heat up to 400 degrees. It can handle your HTV, the infusible inks, as well as sublimation. In your package, you're going to get, of course, the machine itself, a pressing mat, the digital control pad, as well as a user guide. Now, one thing I want to share with you guys is I did just recently purchase a brand new heat press for myself. Prior to that, I was actually using the Vevor heat press, and it's considered the portable one because, you can move it around, and it was a 10 by 10. Now, what I got was a Bettersub heat press. It too is 15 by 12. It can heat up to 440 degrees. It also handles HTV, infusible ink, as well as sublimation. Now, in this particular package, it includes the machine itself, the pressing mat, 2 mug press attachments, as well as the apparatus itself. And then other attachments can be added. So when we think about the two designs, the Cricut AutoPress is going to run you $999.99, so $1,000. The brand new Bettersub press that I just picked up was $219.99 on Amazon. So I am really curious, guys. What are we paying for here? Now, immediately I noticed in the AutoPress's design, it is much sleeker. When I look at it, I do think of a waffle press because, it's a little bit smaller, right? So that's one of the things that it boasts is a sleeker design. Also, it talks about 2-finger motion. So with just 2 fingers, you can lift it up and you can let it down. When I think about my Bettersub, or we can even call that a regular heat press, it definitely does take up more space because it's bulkier. As you adjust the pressure for the press, it does become harder to let down and lift up. It definitely does take some effort to open and close. That just is what it is. But when I go back to the AutoPress, like I say, I really want to know, what are we paying for? So I am a proponent of paying for quality over quantity, as long as I understand what it is that I am paying for. No problem with the price tag, right? So that is just something I am really curious about, and I would really love to share with you guys. But I also want to know, what do you guys think? Are we paying for the name? The Cricut name is extremely popular. Are we paying for the sleekness in the design? Are we paying for that 2-finger motion? Because for some people, that, right there is really important, because the pressing and the lifting of a regular press can sometimes be a bit difficult. But yeah, guys, that is all I have for you today. Like I said, I am going to pick up the AutoPress so that I can give you guys my open and honest opinion. But I would really love for you guys to let me know what you think down there in the comments. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or even entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But as always, guys, until next time, peace.